Are you ready for week 18? I am so excited for week 18 that I jumped in minutes after filming week 17. I got out my stickers. I was fussing around with the new project, Bookbound, or the Bookbound Vertical, whatever it's called. And I got out my stickers and I thought, I really want to get this in the calendar, and I'm just gonna have to film it now because I have things that I want to do. I feel like I'm organized and I'm loving this time with myself to do my planning. And I said, okay, well, you get me in the same clothes, same hair, same makeup. And the only difference is we're gonna do week 18 and we're gonna do May stickers. I'm still using Planner Kate. I'm loving her right now. I have her through June. I don't know what I'm gonna do for July. I haven't gotten that far advanced, but I am loving all these little doodles. They're so cute, and I gotta figure out where to put them. So I'm gonna turn this around. We are gonna plan May together, and who knows, I might end it there and then come back next weekend when I'm actually in real time planning week 18 and fill in the calendar things and maybe do June with you then. But for now, I just wanna get May settled and set up and put all the things that I have and I know that's gonna be going on in the calendar. So let's do it. Hang on a second. I'm gonna flip this around. If you wanna skip to the next chapter because you're not interested, then just skip ahead and you will see and meet up with me there. That was a really quick look of me putting down all of my May stickers. And yes, this is me from the future. This is next week. This is actually me preparing for the week ahead. But this next week, we're going away. We're gonna be on vacation all week. So this is gonna be empty until I kind of have an idea of what's going on. So my to-dos are out the window this week, but I did want to show you one thing that I did, and I'm just gonna do it this way. I'm not gonna turn the camera around to show you, but I wanted to show you what I did after I finished laying everything down. I ended up moving some things around, and what I did do is I took a washi tape right here for Saturdays and Sundays. So I wanted to delineate the weekend. I know, it's totally different. I saw someone do that in the Facebook group with, I think maybe a marker, a highlighter. And I thought, that is a great idea so I could actually see the weekend, right? So I'm loving that. And I need to go in here and schedule out what I know we have sort of planned for this week, but I know it's gonna all change because we're going to Disney World. We're going to Disney World. We are annual pass holders and we love Disney World. And that means that each day is going to be totally different. And I think what I'm going to do is I am going to just have a little notebook on the side. Well, I'll probably just use my notes app, and I am going to be filming while I'm there. So it'll all be in there. And then I'll come back and just write everything back in here so that I have it. I'm not going to take this with me because I'm not gonna be able to travel with this. This is so big. And that's why I'm really excited about moving into my Bookbound for July, because this would be so much more convenient to travel with. But then again, I am one of those people who don't like to get things messy, and I don't know if I'm going to want to travel with it and hurt it or do anything with it. So I may just leave this behind and take a little notebook or something with me, or a little journal or something that I can just pop in my bag. I don't know what I'm going to do. So this is to be determined. I do have a little tiny like moleskin, like it's a tiny little booklet like this, and I may just put that in my crossbody and a pen and just jot notes as I go along to remember what we're doing and things like that. But I did get the rest of my order from Laurel Denise, and I haven't even opened it, and I thought I would just quickly open it here with you. And you know what, I need a pair of scissors. Because I feel like we're old friends and I could just open my mail with you. I love being on here. I love these weekly videos. It's like a little behind the scenes of like what's going on in my life. And I got this, and my husband's like, don't you need to open that right away? And I'm like, well, I want to open it with my friends. Okay, so this is what I got. Let's see what they have in here. It's a little messy, a little noisy. Oh, I got, hold on, I need to put my glasses on because I can't see anything. Oh my God, hi. The tiny accessories from your order are in here, so don't throw this out before you open it. This is just why I love this brand. I love the attention to detail. Sorry, I have a ring light on so you can actually see what I'm doing because it is a little dark. Oh, and then it has just another kind of envelope thing. And let's see what's in here. I can't remember what I got. This is what happens. Oh, now I remember. I got the Frog Day stickers. The frog stickers, do you know what these are? If you don't know what they are, I'll explain it, but if you do, then you know. So frog stickers are when you have something on your to-do list that you don't want to do. It's like you don't want to eat the frog, right? So you put this on there so that you get to that first. And I hope I'm explaining that correctly. And maybe down below, maybe I'll put on the screen right here that I got it wrong. But I'm pretty sure that's what it's for. So it's like that thing that, oh, you've been putting off for so long. It's like a frog on your list. So sometimes it's better to just do it first and then get on with the rest of your day. And then, you know, I've been talking about this every week for 17 weeks. I got the Laurel Denise tweezers. And you know what? I could have bought them on Amazon, but I wanted to have the branded Laurel Denise ones. Yep, that's me. I am down the Laurel Denise rabbit hole. And then I don't want to hurt this little sticker because it's so cute. So you know what I might do? I might cut it. Hold on, I think this is so cute. I love this sticker, so I'm just gonna cut it up here because I'm that person. I just love the packaging. Ah, yes, these are the washi tapes that I got. So I got the different ones for the planner. And if you know, you know, you gotta get them for in here. And I'll show them to you. But these are the check off. I don't know if that'll zoom in. See that you can do the little circles and little squares that you can check things off with. I love that. And then these are the time ones. So one is condensed and one is just regular hourly. And they match up with the areas in the planner, like the vertical planner. So you can put the washi tape like right down here and do hourly, so you can figure out if you want a time block. So I got those because I wasn't sure which one I wanted, and I forgot that I wanted them. So that was what I didn't get in my order last time, and so those just arrived. So I am gonna be so prepared when July comes around and I can use this one. So that is awesome. And again, I gotta wanna put it back in this little bag because it's so cute. But guess what? I don't have to put it back in the bag because I have my new pencil case pouch and I can just put them right in here. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, and did I show you this? I don't remember if I showed this or not. And if I am and I'm repeating myself, I'm sorry. But you can take this little itty bitty sticker notebook and it fits in here. It fits right in here. And you can put it in here with all your things and you can still zip it up. So if you're on the go or traveling or whatever, you can just have everything right here and pop it in your tote or whatever, or have it on your desk or whatever. I love that. I think that is so cool. Anyway, so, oh, and then I can put my new tweezers. I'll take the packaging off and put it in here as well. And that's it. So this week is a little bit different. It's, I kind of planned ahead and I did that in advance. And now I'm gonna sit down here and do a quick little plug in what I think is gonna happen. And guess what? You know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna use my itty bitty sticky notes to do that because I don't know what day I'm going to Hollywood or Animal Kingdom or Epcot. I kind of think I know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put these in there and plan it out in advance. And then I'll see when I get back next week if that's actually what I did. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. This is just my happy place. I love making these videos. I love my planner. I love the community that we're growing here with you all chatting with me and leaving me comments. I think it is so much fun. And I'm learning a new skill, and doing it with you is so much more fun than doing it by myself. So I appreciate you following along. If you're not following along, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next video comes, which is next week. And guess what? That's gonna be week 19. Can you believe it? We are moving through this year and I stuck with it. I'm sticking with it. I am a little nervous, like I did say before, and I'm not gonna get off a tangent. I gotta get off this video because it's gonna be way too long. But am I gonna be able to do this book-bound planner and my OG planner moving forward? Or am I going to have to just dabble in this one and just play with it, get used to it for the rest of the year, and really just stick to the OG? Am I gonna stick to this one? Because I promised myself I wasn't gonna buy a new planner and I was gonna do this for the full year. What do you think I'm gonna do? You've gotta stick around because you are gonna wanna know, just like I wanna know. So stick around with me, come back, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you, and I will see you next week for week 19.